Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Grow and Grow with Nidhi. I hope you have subscribed the channel if you want to have some more informative videos like this. So please do subscribe the channel before proceeding further. So today's video is very special because in today's videos I will share about my real health issues. This is my report and how did I recover and why am I making this video because I have seen my colleagues, my friends, my cousins, and many of my family members suffering from many health issues. So I am separately telling everybody about my recovery phase, about my illness, how did I recover, and which medicine I am consuming, and from what are the sources, and which doctor I consult. So I am just sick and tired of telling everybody separately, so I thought of making this video. Let's tell everybody all together. So, and this video is also important because nowadays this just give me headache, but this is like this is my experience also. We all are suffering from many health issues, and this is really scary. आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड लाइक आपने भी देखा होगा, आपके भी सराउंड इन योर सराउंडिंग एंड इन योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो कोई ना कोई हेल्थ इशू तो सबको ही है. लाइक पीपल, almost everyone, like I don't think there is anyone who is not suffering from any health issue. किसी को कोई मतलब not with diseases. I will not say that you all are suffering from any disease. Disease is a very different thing. We all are suffering from nutrient deficiencies. Nowadays you will hardly find anybody not suffering from hair issues, skin issues, fatigue, running, loss of memory, energy. कहीं कहीं कुछ भी रख के भूल जाते हो. दिस इज़ बिकमिंग वेरी कॉमन. घूमने का मन करता है बट एनर्जी नहीं है. बात करने का मन करता है लेकिन भूल जाते हैं क्या बोलने वाले थे, और कल का रूटीन अपना याद नहीं है. सो दे आर दीज things are very common nowadays, and everyone is suffering from this, and especially youth is suffering from this. So this is, even I also suffered from this, but my story is very unique. This is why I'm sharing this, because मैंने ना बहुत सारे I consulted every doctor, from dermatologist, orthopedic, osteologists, neurologist, and what not, general physician, and I took every kind of treatment, X-ray, MRI, CT scan, what I not did, but things I recovered from are just, these things are effortless and very cheap, low cost, and they helped me. और मेरी जो रिकवरी हुई है एक्चुअली दिस आयुर्वेदिक हर्बल चीज़ों से ही हुई है, और जो मेडिसिन आई एम यूजिंग दे आर वेरी चीप रेट्स. सो सो आगे तक बने रहिए, एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर कलीग्स एंड कजिन्स एंड फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज वी ऑल आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दीज थिंग्स. एंड ये ना बहुत ही दुख की बात है कि मतलब अपना यूथ, ऑलमोस्ट सभी लोग कुछ ना कुछ सफ़र कर रहे हैं. what are the causes? Obviously environmental pollution is one of the prominent reason, and also our food, they are adulterated, poor food quality. but ये सारी चीज़ें रहते हुए भी आप कैसे हेल्दी हो सकते हैं, बिकॉज दीज थिंग्स यू कांट रिमूव, बिकॉज these things are running and triggered by very powerful people. आपको ये चीज़ें चेंज करने के लिए ना पूरे सिस्टम को ही चेंज करना पड़ेगा, विच इज़ नॉट अ वेरी not an easy task. So it is a time taking process. We will do it later, but अभी आपको when these things are prevailing, how can you make yourself healthy and recover? तो उसी में रहते हुए मैंने आपको इतनी सिंपल सी चीज़ें बताऊंगी. It is just unbelievable. I also don't believe, because this new year, मतलब this new year I also made plans, but my health was not in that condition कि कहीं party हो सके. और from past 3 to 4 years I have been suffering from so many health issues. धीमे धीमे ना my condition just got worse. मतलब I am surrounded by so many people. I am in a function, I am in a party, I want to join them, I want to dance, I want to shout, I want to play games, but I am running sort of energy. इतनी energy ही नहीं है कि लोगों के साथ जाके engage हो सको. I was like, we all are fooling. हम लोग सब ये सोचते हैं कि with एजिंग ये चीज़ें तो नॉर्मल हो जाती हैं। हम लोगों की एनर्जी कम होने लगती है विथ एजिंग। थोड़ा लो एनर्जी होना, थोड़ा मेमोरी लेस होना, दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी नॉर्मल। आई ऑल्सो वॉज थिंकिंग दिस, बट दिस इज़ हाउ वी फूल आर सेल्फ। दिस इज़ नॉट नॉर्मल। You are actually nutrient deficient. You are not sick, you are not weak, you are just nutrient deficient, and this just blew my mind. मतलब मुझे ना अपनी बहुत बड़ी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स का, दैट आई हैव बीन सफरिंग फ्रॉम पास्ट 4 years, उनका मुझे इतना छोटा सा सॉल्यूशन मिला। And I was like, OMG. And you won't believe our medical system is just so corrupt. So इतना ना स्कैम जैसा मुझे फील हुआ कि मैंने इतने सारे डॉक्टर्स को कंसल्ट किया, एंड एवरी डॉक्टर टोल्ड मी वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग्स फॉर द सेम कंडीशन। आई वॉज सफरिंग फ्रॉम, आई हैड पेन फ्रॉम माई नेक टू माई राइट टो, ओनली दिस राइट साइड वॉज सफरिंग। और मुझे ना इतना सिवियर पेन होता था। सो माई न्यूरोलॉजिस्ट सेड दैट यू आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम, यू आर इन द इनिशियल स्टेज ऑफ सर्वाइकल। सर्वाइकल में ही ये नेक पेन होता है, देन दिस रेडिएट फ्रॉम योर ओनली वन साइड ऑफ द बॉडी, एंड देन दिस इज रेडिएट टू योर लोअर बॉडी पार्ट्स ऑल्सो। सो आई थॉट ओके, डॉक्टर ने बोला है तो सर्वाइकल होगा। आई वॉज फॉलोइंग हिज prescription. Then I consulted orthopedic because shoulder pain was becoming very intense. I couldn't even sleep. So when I visited orthopedic, he said that it is happening because of your childhood injury. I said I never had any like a major childhood injury, but he said that it is happening because of that. So then I started following his prescription. कि मतलब मुझे चाइल्डहुड इंजरी है, दिस इज़ व्हाई आई एम सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस। फिर फ्रॉम लोकल फिजिशियन आई गॉट टू नो कि मुझे ना मतलब जैसे नस चढ़ जाती है, वेन डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो गया। देन आई टुक थेरेपी एंड दे मसाज मी, स्टिल माई पेन वॉज नॉट गोइंग ऑन। सो some people told me that you need to visit a neurologist also because this is happening because of nerve. So I consulted neurologist and he told me that it is happening because neurologist said that it is cervical, or he also consulted me something else, and I started following his, मैंने इतने मेडिकेशन लिए। I did CT scan, X-ray, MRI, blood test and what not, but my problem was not going on. And when I got to know what is the problem actually and what is the solution, I was like, what the hell? Like डॉक्टर्स क्या ही करते हैं। इतना ना मुझे पूरा फील हुआ, आर दे स्कैमिंग अस? This whole medical industry in India is just fake, corrupt. They all want to just earn money and they are very like क्या ही स्टडी की है इन लोगों ने कि ये ना एक रीजन नहीं बता पा रहे हैं। एवरीबडी वॉज टेलिंग मी समथिंग एल्स। मतलब अगर किसी को कोई सीरियस इशू हो जाए तो वो इस लूप में ही घूमता रह जाए। Then finally, because I was exhausted like hell, because my pain was worsening, I was my nights were sleepless, and I was suffering from insomnia and this intense pain which was worsening day by day, and I was not receiving any help from anywhere, although I visited every kind of doctor and I have taken every medicine and every test I have done. So I realized that something is not getting detected by any of them. So I decided that I will be my own doctor from now. I did research. I googled, I searched everything on internet. From there I also I shared my reports, my symptoms with ChatGPT, Google Gemini. From there मैंने चैट जीपीटी को अपने इतने से सिम्टम्स बताए, उसने मुझे इतने सिम्टम्स बताए एंड दे ऑल वर रिलेटेबल। सो दिस इज़ हाउ आई ब्रेक डाउन माई सिम्टम्स। पहले तो मेरी जो रूट कॉज थी उस तक पहुँचे धीमे धीमे हम। सो नाउ व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, There is no doctor. Me and chat gpt, we are discussing my health issues, and we were breaking down them. What were the cause, what are the symptoms, and what is the solution. So before solution we will do some tests, because chat gpt is not a doctor, and we can't believe those ai tools blindly. So whatever chat gpt was telling me, because I'm a biology student, so I used my brain also, like if this can be true or false. And from with the help of chat gpt, he suggested me some tests. मैंने सबसे पहले ना फुल बॉडी चेकअप कराया, बिकॉज अकॉर्डिंग टू चैट जीपीटी दैट my right hand side pain was because of B12 deficiency. It was just little thing, like I am deficient to one of the vitamin, but it was making my life hell. And it just blew my mind, like vitamin and minerals are very important things, and they play a major role in our life. Our healthy body and brain and organs and memory and energy is all related to vitamins and minerals that we ignore, because before this I knew that carbs, proteins, fats, these are the most important thing. So I was consuming food according to them. So with the help of chat gpt, I got to know about the root cause of my problem, because symptoms were very related. My feet were burning like hell, like somebody has put fire on my feet, and I couldn't fall asleep. So first of all I took full body checkup, and this is my report. In what this include, my ctc report, this is a normal blood test, and vitamin D, vitamin B complex, and these tests you have to add on in this blood or full body checkup separately, because वो ना अगर आप एक full body checkup बोलोगे तो अपने यहाँ like scammers are everywhere, they will scam you. They वो एक simple blood test कर देंगे and they will tell you यही full body checkup है, but you have to add on B, vitamin B test, vitamin B12, vitamin D. And I found that I have severe deficiency of vitamin B12 and vitamin D. और ये तो मैंने विटामिन बी एंड डी तो ऐड करवाया था, और सारे विटामिन की तो मैंने अभी टेस्ट ही नहीं करवाए हैं. So I can assume that I am deficient in them, but my hemoglobin was good, not very high, but it was a good amount. My blood is okay, my kidney was okay, my liver was okay. So my body organs are very healthy. I have no disease, but still I was very unhealthy. So what I was suffering from, first of all I want to tell you about this.